life's wobbly? Get a grip with Tengri Screws. Hi boss, this is Ilya from Shine Tengri Fasteners. Are you looking for a screw supplier? Wow, then you did it. Wait, make sure you never get screwed over. From us, you can get what you really want. Our products are as follows. Okay, the show is over. So, are you interested in one of them? If yes, just send messages to me, okay? Oh my god, wait. I'm screwed. Actually, my manager put the screws on me to upload this video. So, you know what I mean? So, my boss, what are you waiting for? Please give me a like or follow me up. I will never let you down.